How to switch your Roblox accounts. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can switch your Roblox accounts. So these steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your home page of the Roblox. Now once you are in, as you can see that here in the top right corner there is the gear icon, you have to click on it. Now from here you have to click on the logout, and from here you are able to log out from your current account. Now if you want to switch your account, as you can see that here is also the option of the switch accounts. Now from here what you have to do is simply click on the login, and here you have to add your username, email address or your phone number, and also add your password. And after that you just have to click on the login, and you are able to again log in and able to switch your account in the Roblox. So this is how you can switch your accounts in the Roblox. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.